the integrated shuttle. Please ensure your safety restraints are securely fastened.
So sometimes we're going 90 degrees ahead, sometimes we're going backwards. The experience is, it's like a real ride. We are taking
Especially when it goes to in open area in desert, so we enjoyed that moment as well.
Very good, very impressive. I loved it.
I liked the way, like, when Hulk jumped on the spaceship and it all shakes.
I'm not sure how you have used, Iron Man coming and just in the middle of it, it was amazing.